Hey boys and girls, here's your Auntie Tricia. Let's look at the letter G. Let's listen to a story that will teach you about the letter G. Granny's sink is blocked and full of water. She calls the plumber and asks him to fix it. He unblocks the sink and the water drains away. As it goes, it makes a gurgling sound. G, 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 g. Did you hear that sound? That's the sound of the letter G. The letter G says G. Listen to this song as we learn more about the letter G.
The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a g-g-g-g-g.
As the water goes down the drain, it says G, G, G. Let's do the action. Move your hand in a downward spiral like water gurgling down a drain and say G, 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 G. That's awesome. Now let's look at some words that begins with the G sound. Gift, goat, gate, girl, gum. Bye for now, guys. Remember to subscribe.